What's up guys, and welcome to the Coupon Club. So today we have a really exciting video because in this video I'm going to be announcing our 1,000 subscriber giveaway winner. And I just want to say thank you to everybody who entered and to everybody who has recently subscribed to my channel. I cannot believe the amount of subscribers I have right now, and this giveaway wouldn't be possible without any of you guys. So sincerely, thank you guys so much for all the support you're giving my channel. I really appreciate it.
Make the streams louder.
So I actually haven't even picked our giveaway winner yet, but I'm going to be sharing my screen with you guys in a couple seconds so we can pick a winner. Alright, so here is my screen, and over here to the left I have an Excel sheet which lists everybody who entered in the giveaway. And over here you'll see either your YouTube username or your Instagram username. And then to the right of my screen I have this random number generator, and we're going to use this to pick our winner. So these are already in a random order, but I'm just going to randomize them again really quick for you guys using a quick formula. So I'm just assigning everybody a number right now. And now what I'm going to do is actually sort all this data on here using that number which we just assigned everybody, using that random number which we just assigned everybody. And I'm going to sort them from largest to smallest. So now everybody is in a new place, and we can go ahead and delete this column that we just made. And now let's check how many people we have in our giveaway. So we have 54 people entered in this giveaway. 54 people, so you guys have a pretty good chance of winning. 1 in 54 is not that bad. Anyways, so we have our min over here set to 1, and we're gonna have our max now set to 54. And then we're just gonna go ahead and click this generate button. All right, and there we go guys. So our winner is number 44. So now we're just gonna go back to our Excel sheet and look for whoever is in row 44. And it looks like that is Grimmy. Okay, Grimmy, congratulations. You have the option of either picking yourself a CVS or Amazon gift card. They're each priced at $15. And thank you so much for being subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate all your support. So you can go ahead and reach out to me on Instagram, or you can email me. I will have both of those linked in the description box for you down below. And a big thank you to everybody else who entered in this giveaway. I will be hosting another giveaway when we reach our next milestone, probably at about 5,000 subscribers, so stay tuned for that for your next chance to win. Oh, and really quick before I go guys, for my next giveaway in the future, let me know what you guys want as a prize, whether you guys want to be getting products or gift cards. I can give you guys literally whatever you want, not whatever you want, but you know what I mean. Like I can give you an option. I don't have to only be doing a giveaway with gift cards. I can also throw some other things in there, like maybe some items I've couponed for, whether that be like makeup, toiletries, you know, whatever you guys are interested in, let me know, and you know, we can work on that for our next giveaway. All right guys, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my video, and I will see you guys in the next one.